Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to air fry your corn on the cob. Here I have 4 pieces of corn that I've already shucked. Now if you bought these as is from the grocery store and you still have some of those silks, take a kitchen towel and just clean them off like that. You'll thank me later. You'll also want to remove any pieces of husk that might be left, and these are good to go. If you bought fresh corn still in the husk, you're going to want to trim the ends just so it fits in my air fryer when I put it in, and trim the top. What you're left with is the corn still in the husk, and I just go around and remove all of this and as many of the silks as possible. Then I take a kitchen towel and rub it against the corn, and that friction makes removing the silks super easy. Now take a look at the difference between these two. The ones at the store were already previously steamed, so the corn is already softer than when it's fully raw from the husk. This is important because the one that was previously steamed is only going to take 10 minutes to cook versus the one that you took off the husk is still raw. So that's going to take closer to 14 to 15 minutes. Now here I melted some butter, garlic, salt, and pepper. You can cook these plain or with a little bit of flavor. You can put the corn directly in the air fryer or wrap it in foil. Cooking wise, you're still gonna get corn on the cob. However, the one in foil, it's sort of gonna steam in there and also retain that garlic butter inside of the foil packet. The other one, it's going to be closer to grilled corn and the butter will just run off to the bottom of the air fryer. But don't worry, we're gonna try both today. For the foil, I just place the corn on the cob in the middle, take some of my garlic butter mixture and rub it around. Then I close it kind of easily like this, and this is good to go. The other one, I'm just gonna place directly in my air fryer and take some of the garlic butter mixture and then brush it straight on the corn. My air fryer is already preheated, so now I am just going to cook it at 400 for about 12 minutes. That's a really great checking point. Around halfway through, I'm gonna make sure to open it and rotate the one that is not in foil. If you're cooking it in foil, you can always open the foil towards the last few minutes of cooking to give it a nice golden color. This is ready. Check it out. The one without foil is golden brown in all sides because we rotate it halfway through. And this one in the foil packet makes it really easy to lift, and all the buttery sauce is still down here. By the way, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel, I share all the kitchen skills that moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more.